The name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum kids. I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying your good health. In Broadway English of class 2, we are going to start our next unit and the unit name is Prayer Rabbit in the Well. Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. It means that if you are fail in your life at some times, it's okay with that. It is your opportunity to begin again more intelligently. This story is about a rabbit and a fox. Let's start the chapter. We are moving towards page number 96, unit number 10, and the unit name is Prayer Rabbit in the Well. So let's do the starter first. When we are thirsty, we drink water. We get water from the tap or from a bottle. If you live in a village, you get water from a well. Here are some sources from which we can get water from a tap, bottle and well. And if you are living in a village people get their water from the well. As you can see in this picture, this lady is taking water out from the well. When an animal or a bird is thirsty, where does it get water? Talk about the different places where it can find water. Have you heard the story of a thirsty crow? Animal or a bird is thirsty, it can get water from puddles, streams, and ponds. Okay, now let's read the story of moving towards page number 97. Let's start the story. One day, Prayer Rabbit was going for a walk. He came to a well. There was a bucket near it. It was tied to a rope. There was another bucket inside the well. It was tied to the other end of the rope. So, Brer mean brother rabbit. So one day what happened? The brother rabbit was going for a walk and he came near a well and there was a bucket near it. It was tied to a rope. As you can see, this bucket is tied with a rope, and there is another bucket at the other side of the rope as well. So what did he do? He was thirsty and wanted to drink water. So at that time, the Brer Rabbit was very thirsty and he really wanted to drink some water. So he got into the empty bucket and jumped into the well. He was heavy, so he whizzed down. Whizzed mean went up or down very fast. When anything move down or upward in a speed, it make a whiz sound. At the same time, the other bucket whizzed up. As you know, in a seesaw, when a person is down, the other is up. And when the other person get down, you get up. Just like that, it went down and the other bucket came up. He had a nice cool drink of water. Then he thought, how am I going to get back up? Oh my god. So now Rabbit is having a problem that he came down very easily and drink water, but he is little bit confused that how he is going to move back to the top of the well. Just then Brer Fox came to the well. He shouted, Brer Rabbit, where are you? In here, said Brer Rabbit, inside the well. Why are you inside the well? Asked Brer Fox. So in these lines it is being told that when the Brer Rabbit was thinking how he can get out of the well, at this just at that moment a Brer Fox came to the well and shouted means talk in very loud voice and asked Brer Rabbit means brother rabbit, where are you? And Brer Rabbit replied that I am inside the well. Why are you inside the well? Asked Brer Fox. So Brother Fox asked, why you are inside the well? So what did Brer Rabbit reply? Let's see. I am catching fish, said Brer Rabbit. So Brer Rabbit said that I am catching fish in the well. How many fishes have you caught? Asked Brer Fox. Do you think so he was really catching fish in the well? Or was he lying at that time? Okay, let's see. Moving towards next page, page number 98. Rabbit reply, lots. Lots means a lot of. Said Brer Rabbit, come and see. Jump into that empty bucket up there. So at that time, Brer Fox asked Brer Rabbit that how many fishes you have already catch. He said that I have catch a lot of fishes. If you really want to see, come. What did the fox do? Foolish fox. Brer Fox jumped into the bucket and it whizzed right down to the bottom of the well. So what happened when when the fox sit in the bucket, it whizzed down and Rabbit came up. So as he went down, the other bucket with Brer Rabbit in it whizzed up and away to the top of the well. Bye bye, Brer Fox, said Brer Rabbit. Catch lots of fish. In this story, it is being told that how the Brer Rabbit uses intelligence to get out of the well very intelligently. So Brer Rabbit feeling thirsty at that time. So what did he do? He just get inside that bucket. He was thirsty and wanted a drink of water. Moving toward next paragraph, he was very thirsty and wanted a drink of water, so he get into the empty bucket and jump into the well. He was heavy, so he whizzed down. Okay, in these lines it is being discussed that the Brer Rabbit or the brother rabbit was feeling very thirsty and he wanted to drink water. So what did he do? He got into the empty bucket. As you can see in this picture that this rabbit is getting into an empty bucket. So the rabbit was quite heavy. So when he sit in that bucket, he whizzed down. Whizzed mean went up or down with very fast. When a person or a thing move up or down in very much speed or in high speed, it make a sound like whizzed. Okay, let's see what happened next. At the same time, the other bucket whizzed up. He had a nice cool drink of water. Then he thought, how am I going to get back? Just then, Brer Fox came to the well. He shouted, Brer Rabbit, where are you? In, said Brer Rabbit. Inside the well. Where? Why are you inside the well? Asked Brer Fox. Okay, when in these lines it is being discussed when the Brer Rabbit was thinking about coming out of the well. At very that time, a Brer Fox came near the well and asked Brer Rabbit, where are you? And Brer Rabbit replied that I am in the well. Brer Fox said, why are you in the well? And Brer Rabbit said, I am catching fish. So Brer Fox asked, how many fishes have you caught? Lots, said Brer Rabbit. Come and see. Jump into the empty bucket up there. So in these lines it is being discussed that Rabbit said to Fox that I am catching fish. So if you really want to see how many fishes I have catch, so just get into the other bucket and come down and see by your own self. Brer Fox jumped into the bucket and whizzed right down to the bottom of the well. So at that time what happened? When the Brer Fox jumped into the bucket, it went down into the bottom of the well. And what happened? After that, as he went down, the other bucket with Brer Rabbit in it whizzed up and away to the top of the well. Bye bye, Brer Fox, said Brer Rabbit. Catch lots of fish. It was quite amusing story. I hope you like it. Thank you. Have a nice day.